make it, do it, makes us harder, better, faster, stronger. Rolling, power, never, ever, after work is over. Harder, better, faster, stronger. Working harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger. More than ever, hour after hour, work is never over. Working harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger. More than ever, hour after hour, work is never over. Working harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger. More than ever, hour after hour, work is never over. Working harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger. More than ever, hour after hour, work is never over. Working harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger.
Before the function will give an idea, let us predict some parts of his mini water pump first. We have here motor, switch, battery, wire, and some are composed of recyclable materials such as bottle, cap, and hose. That this part has a role to provide a water pump occur. Now let us observe the function of this type of my prototype invention. The water that from the container has no reaction. Then if we switch on the switch that connects with battery wire and motor that helps to deliver the water from the container, flow through the hose and pumping out, that it may helps for the high flows of the water out through the function of this mini water pump invention.
Mini water pump benefits. In our community, farming is the main source of income. As we observe, water sources are pretty far from farms. So we think of an invention that can help our farmers through the invention of our do-it-yourself mini water pump. Water pump plays a fundamental part in farming as moves water from its source to the field and crops. Water pumps has a lot of benefits to the farmers, crops, and ecosystem, like it maintain regular water supply and ensure the crops are fed with water throughout the year. Increases soil salinity, which is an important factor for crop production, easy to manage and deliver water as per the crop requirements, and maintain higher agricultural production.
The ability to make inventions is essential to living and learning. This mini water pump prototype proposal was designed as eco-friendly invention in compliance to the availability of our community. It also a type of journey of discovery to explore the functions that find as benefits or granting advantages. With these strategies that connect the ideas in making our works easier, such as this turbine that activated by the water under pressure. Otherwise, it is more convenient than using a manual in this invention. We find out that the functions, important parts, and description of it. In this society, we have to explore and discover the things that might has a provision to take advantage of all things we have. Welcome to the water pump invention. It is with fervent hope that the learners will derive as much from the mini water pump that has intention.